Have you ever noticed that you start yawning a lot when you're anxious, overwhelmed, or coming out of stress, even if you're not really tired? This is actually really common, and it doesn't mean that anything is wrong with you. So this happened to me last week, so I started researching a lot about it. But yawning helps regulate your nervous system, so it's increasing oxygen intake. It's helping kind of cool your brain a little bit, especially doing what we call a state change. And a state change is coming from stress to calm kind of quickly, and that can feel a little dissociative during that period of time. And so yawning kind of helps in that transition state. So if you have been anxious, emotionally flooded, or a little bit in your fight or flight state, yawning can show up when your nervous system starts to downshift. So it's not a failure to cope or anything like that. It's just your body saying, I think I need a little bit of regulation. But it can also happen in people with ADHD or trauma histories when stimulation changes. So it's when you're finally slowing down enough for your body to notice itself again. So if yawning happens after therapy, during grounding, while playing with your kids, or even just when the day finally quiets, it could be more than just being tired. It's your nervous system recalibrating.